Same thing, D major to A major, a little bit faster. Here we go. 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, A major, 2, 3, 4, and D major, 2, 3, 4, A major, 2, 3, up to B major, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and hear the hi-hat, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Other instruments can give you a bit of a clue. 1 E and a 2 E and a. Now you know what to listen for, right? That applies for any song. Listen to the different instruments. There's the boom of the kick drum. Boom. 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 That kick drum always seems to show up on beat 1, doesn't it? Yes. When you listen to songs, see if that kick drum or that bass drum ends up on beat 1 most of the time. Beats 1 and 3. See if that snare drum hits that on beats 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yeah, right in the pocket. It's always there. 2, 3, 4. You'll find that happens in many, many, many